Hi, I'm Paul Carson, and this is an introduction to the Grade Center and Hofstra's Blackboard system. More than just a record-keeping system, the Blackboard Grade Center is an effective tool that you can use to support student learning. The Grade Center features allows you to publish grades to individual students, which gives them a stronger sense of where they stand as the class progresses. Having a sense of where they stand provides them with constant motivation. In this video, we'll cover how to access the Grade Center and the basic functions and tools that make the Grade Center work. In subsequent videos, we'll cover each of the main tools in detail. Grades are recorded automatically for assignments, assessments, tests and quizzes, and surveys delivered inside Blackboard, and manually for coursework managed outside of Blackboard. To access the Grade Center, go to My Hofstra. Log in using your Hofstra username, for example, ENGPAC or an H700 number, and your password. The My Courses module on the Hofstra main page has links to the current semester's courses and a link to Blackboard. Note that you can change this semester to see other semesters if you need to. Note also that all students who are registered for the course and section will be automatically enrolled in the Blackboard course site. Click on the link in either the portal or on the Blackboard main page to enter the course. Locate Course Management and the Control Panel section located at the bottom left of your screen. Locate the Grade Center section and click on the Full Grade Center link. Note that the tiny arrow on the right edge of the column jumps you directly into the Full Grade Center. Note also that Needs Grading takes you to a screen for a collection of items you have not graded yet. The next set of notes will help you familiarize yourself with the Grade Center. The Grade Center opens to a spreadsheet view listing students in rows and graded items in columns. All features of the Grade Center can be accessed through the spreadsheet. You can create a column. Instructors may manually add a column for items and grades to the Grade Center for work that has been done outside of Blackboard. For example, if a student manually hands in a lab report, the instructor may add the item and all the grades associated with it to the Grade Center. Create calculated column. Instructors may manually add a calculated column to the Grade Center, such as average, minimum, maximum, total, and weighted column. Manage. The Manage option allows the instructor to set up grading periods and schema, categories, create smart views, and other organizational options. Grading periods allows for the Grade Center view to be sorted by due dates. Grading schema allows for the instructor to map out their own grading criteria, A equals 90 and above, B equals 80 and above, etc. Categories enables the instructor to sort and filter items by category. For example, the instructor may only want to view items in the exam category. This feature also enables the instructor to weight assessment categories differently. For example, items in a homework category may be weighted less than items in an exam category. Smart Views allows for an instructor to create specialized views by students, categories, column scores, total calculated scores, etc. Column organization sends the instructor to a new screen where one can change the layout and settings for the Grade Center view. Student visibility allows the instructor to hide and show student users. Email gives quick access to the instructor to email selected users found in the Grade Center. Every column in the Grade Center is a sort utility, so you can sort by a grade and email everyone who got 100, "Hey, that was great." Reports allow the instructor to generate reports from the information posted within the Grade Center. Examples include the entire grade statistics by category or by individual. The Grade History option allows instructors to track the history of grading updates and changes within the Grade Center by instructor and TA users. This allows one to see who entered grade changes and when they were submitted. The Filter button opens a set of sorting tools that allow the instructor to customize the information displayed within the Grade Center. Current views sort columns by order. These drop-down lists allow instructors to toggle between different smart views in the full Grade Center. Set a view as default, sort columns by different parameters, and sort by ascending or descending order. Work Offline is the download tool. This drop-down list allows instructors to filter the grade center items. Only items that match that type will appear in the spreadsheet view. Instructors may upload grade center information into Blackboard using the upload grade features. The upload will fail if the username for each row of data is not present. Also, the grade center will not process the data for any user that is not enrolled in the course. Changes to the first name and last name columns will not be processed. Download. Instructors can download and save a grade center as a comma delimited file for use in a spreadsheet program such as Microsoft Excel. This file, or grade center items in this file, can be uploaded back to the grade center at a later date. This is probably the most useful way to upload a file. Add the column in Blackboard, download the grade center, fill in the numbers, and upload the file back to Blackboard. The grade center icon legend is very useful if you don't know what the symbols are. If a grade center value is not a representation of a grade or blank, a dash symbol, it will be one of the following symbols. It could be user unavailable. User is unavailable in Blackboard, such as a rare instance of a student having a locked account. Column not visible to users. This column has been hidden from the user's view on the student end. This is different from hiding the column from the faculty view. The completed icon indicates an item that was completed by the student and does not need to be graded. The needs grading icon. The item has been submitted by the student and needs to be reviewed by the instructor. Tests that include essay questions will have this symbol when they are submitted. Items that need grading will show up on the needs grading page mentioned earlier. Grade edited manually. This little symbol shows that an instructor or TA manually revised, changed an individual grade. Attempt in progress. The student is currently using the assessment or assignment, hasn't submitted it yet. The external grade is a feature that allows the instructor to set a particular column, most usually what will be the final grade for the course, as the external grade. The grade exempted for this user, either the instructor or TA has exempted a grade for an individual student. And the error, there's a grade center error. In this video, we covered the basic features of the Blackboard Grade Center. In subsequent videos, we'll look at the specific features in more detail. We will cover creating graded columns in the Grade Center, hiding or removing Grade Center columns, modifying grade schemas, that is, changing the ranges of points that convert to letter grades, column organization, which controls how the Grade Center appears, Grade Center column options. To access those options, click the down arrow to the right of the column title. Managing Grade Center categories and why you might want to use categories. Weighting grades. Adding and modifying student grades. How students access their Blackboard grades. And finally, working offline, downloading the Grade Center and uploading the Grade Center.